collaboration actually was inspired by our shared passion for motorcycling culture and adventure, and Royal Enfield, which is actually known for its rich legacy of iconic motorcycles, and Pando Moto, known for crafting high-performance gear. We just together realized we could create something really extraordinary by combining our expertise and values.
So the idea for this concept motorcycle with Pando Moto, it's a coming together of like-minded people, like-minded brands. Obviously, Pando Moto's gear is all about simple, pure, expressions of safety in motorcycling, allowing you to have both style and function, right? This is what Royal Enfield motorcycles are about as well. It's about style and function.
So with the client, we decide where the bike is going to be used. Is it going to be a street bike? Is it going to be the more enduro bike? I think it was the most challenging task for me, just to find out that middle ground. So in one hand, we have this classic motorcycle, that was made in England with a classic frame, classic lines. And on the other hand, we want, to add something from Pando, a more modern style of the clothing. Also they have like a style, function, and safety aspect in it. So it was, like putting the puzzle together.
So what makes this, collaboration unique is just, I would say, combination of Royal Enfield's heritage and Pando Moto's innovative approach towards gear. And I would say this partnership isn't just about creating products or something like that. It's about the elevating entire riding experience.
It's a British retro roadster. It's there to have that sort of iconic style. The Royal Enfield as a brand is about pure motorcycling, giving the rider everything they need to have an amazing time on the road, nothing that they don't.
We have to have a story, we have to be authentic. There has to be a reason for us making a product. It's not good enough that there's an opportunity in the market or another company is selling a load of bikes in that segment. It has to mean something to us. There must be a story behind it. It's a bike that's got a real nice poise to it, a real nice look and attitude to it.
So I've known about the Royal Enfield since I started riding, and it's a name that resonates with every rider. But I truly connected to the brand when I went on an amazing trip in the Himalayas in India. And riding Royal Enfield Himalaya in the mountains made me appreciate not just the bike's performance, but also the spirit of exploration and the freedom it represents.
The air-cooled engine has a very flat torque curve, so you get 80% in torque at sort of 20% of your RPM. So you get this lovely wave of torque that you can ride through, and it just makes for a beautiful experience. On a canyon road, it's just such a great bike to ride.
So, with this collaboration, we just, wanted to show to the motorcycle community that great riding is about more than just the bike, It's about the journey, it's about the gear and the experience you create along the way. And this collaboration is just a reminder when tradition and innovation come together that the possibilities are endless.